Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to do fish fillet baked in the oven. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, as usual, we're gonna start with our ingredients. I have here around 1 kilo of fish fillet, 2 pieces, a juice of 1 lemon, half cup of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, some potato, some bell pepper, and the spices we're gonna use today is 1 spoon of ground coriander, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, 1 spoon of fish spices, quarter spoon of cumin, quarter spoon of black pepper, and some salt. You can add also some onion or some carrots over it. It's depend how you like it. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal. First, we're gonna marinate our fillet. In a bowl, put all the spices, add over it the garlic, then the olive oil and the lemon juice. Mix all together. Then start marinate our fish fillet. After you finishing, put the potato in the sauce and marinate it. On a tray, put a butter paper, add over it the potato, then put the fillet, put the rest of the marinade sauce over it, and finally add the bell pepper and some slice of lemon. Put it in the oven with 180 degrees of temperature from both sides and leave it cooking for around 45 minutes, or depend of your oven and the quantity that you are cooking. And finally, this is our fish fillet baked in the oven. This dish is delicious with parsley sauce. If you wanna know how to make parsley sauce, I'm gonna leave you the link down this video. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.